Well, 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for subbing to this channel. When I have started this channel, I really didn't think that I had reached this amount of subscribers less than 1 year. Well, it's a small community, but I still appreciate your support throughout this channel. Now, in order to show my gratitude to you guys, I want to share a free sound design pack with you that I have gathered over this year. Now, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. And also, I want to mention that the folks over AEJuice have placed 98% off for this Black Friday on their products. Now you can buy the I Want It All bundles for only $149, which I think it's a really reasonable price with what you are getting. It filled with tons of, transitions, overlays, and sounds, and so many more, which you can buy it for only $149. So don't really miss out this great opportunity and buy the AEJuice pack if you can. Well, thank you so much for your support. I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.